everybody to TNH Learning Channel. So for today's lesson, we will be doing adding and subtracting by using the column method. Now as you can see on the board, I've got columns for thousands, hundreds, tens and units. As in the previous lesson that I did, we also did columns where we only did place value. So what we did was we took the digits and we did put them in the correct column. Now what we're going to do today is we're going to put it in the correct column, but we're only going to add them together. So in example number 1, 143 plus 255. So I'm going to place it in the correct column. Another way, don't forget, also what I said was, you can on top of your digits write down which one goes. So by the 5, this is units, that's tens, this is my hundreds, my units, my tens and my hundred. So now I'm just going to place it in the correct column before I add 50, and here comes the 200. Now because we're doing the adding sum, you can write plus in front of your numbers. You rule a line, and now we're only going to add together. So 3 plus 5 is equal to 8. 40 plus 50 is equal to 90. 100 plus 200 is equal to 300. So 143 plus 255 is a total of 398. So let's try another one. Let me just erase here quickly. And in here. Okay. So if I have 4,565 and I need to add 7,236. Placing them now in my columns, so it's 5, 60, 500, 4,000. 6, 30, 200 and 7,000. So now we're only going to add them together. So 5 plus 6 is a total of 11. 60 plus 30 is 90. 500 plus 200 is 700. 4,000 plus 7,000 is 11,000. Right. So now we're only going to add or build them together. So 4,565 plus 7,236 is the answer of, now you will see here's 11. Right? So the 11, remember it's units. Here can't be 10 in by the unit column. So we need to take this 10 and we're going to carry it over. So 10 is going to go over to 90. So if I add 10 plus 90, this will give me a total of 100. So if I take the 10 and I put it here, so that means it comes away, there's only going to be a 1 left. So if I take this 100, it's in the 10 column, I need to move it to my 100 column. So I'm going to take the whole 100 and I'm going to move it till here. So I'm going to have 700 plus 100, which is going to give me 800. Okay? So now it's easy for me to write down my answer. So I'm going to write down 11,000. And then because I've got 800 there, I can just place it with my zeros. So I will say 800. But I have a 1 in my unit column. So the 1 in my unit column needs to come by my units. Okay. So now I'm going to give you an example of a subtracting sum. Let me just quickly erase here. Oops. Just going to erase all of that. Now remember what I said, when we subtract, we're taking away. So 987 minus 543. Also another point that you need to know is you can't subtract a small number from a bigger number. We can only subtract a big number from a small number. So now we're going to place it into our correct columns. I've got 7, 80 and 900. You can put your minus in front because we are subtracting. Then I've got 3, 40 and I've got 500. Rule your line, and now we're going to subtract from each other. So 7 minus 3 give me a total of 4. 80 minus 40 give me a total of 40. 900 minus 500 gives me 400. So 987 minus 543 is a total of 444. Also in subtraction, if you want to find out if your answer is correct, you take the answer and the number which is less than the other one. So you take this and you take your answer, you add this together to see if you get to this total, then you know your answer is correct. So I will take 543 and add this two together. So 4 plus 3 is 7, 4 plus 4 is 8, and 4 plus 5 is 9. So this and this is the same. So this means that my calculations is correct. Let's try one more. Just quickly. Here we go. So if I have 9,685 and I need to take away 6,341, what I need to do is put them in the correct columns. So I'm going to write 5, my 80, my 600, and my 9,000. Then I've got 1, my 40, my 300, and my 6,000. Don't forget, we need to write minus because we are taking away. So 5 minus 1 is a total of 4. 80 minus 40 is a total of 40. 600 plus 3 minus 300 is 300. 9,000 minus 6,000. Oh, sorry, I forgot the zero there. 9,000 minus 6,000. It is a total of 3,000. So now we can only add this together because this is my answer. So 9,685 minus 6,341 is the answer of 3,344. Don't forget, you can check if your answer is correct. So we will take this 6,341, add this two together. 4 plus 1 is equal to 5. 4 plus 4 is equal to 8. 3 plus 3 is equal to 6. 3 plus 6 is equal to 9. So this and this is the same. So my calculations is correct. Right, I want to thank you for watching today. Please don't forget to like and subscribe.